Hi, welcome to the Crafts channel. My name's Karen Brad and today I'd like to show you how to make some very simple tasselled leather bookmarks. These are made in a way so that the tassel will never come off. Quite often you can have a bookmark, have a tassel tied to it and it will break, but these are actually, the tassels are made into the leather so it makes them a bit more secure, and then you can just pop your bookmark inside your favourite Embroidery book with your tassel hanging out and it keeps your place for you. So you need to start with a strip of leather. These are around 2 centimetres wide, these strips, and they're old upholstery leather scraps. I've simply cut them with a rotary knife and a ruler, and then I've punched one hole in the end. If you take a thread, let's pick a nice peach colour, and I'd say you need about 1 metre of thread, depending on how fat you want your tassel. Use all 6 strands of embroidery floss and thread them through a darning needle. And then if you just take a piece of card, now normally with tassels what you do is you take a piece of card, fold it in half, wind your tassel round and then use this bit of card to tie off the end of it. What we're going to do is hold your thread against your card and go down through the front of your leather piece like so. Bring it up around the back, again go down by your card and pull it tight so that the end of your leather bookmark is just sitting against that card. Once you've done the first couple of stitches, actually you don't have to hold it as tightly, but you're simply over sewing, as it were, the piece of card through that single hole in your bookmark, like this. And when you get to the end, you can just pull your piece of card out. And you've got a series of loops emanating from that hole. Grab yourself another piece of embroidered thread, and this time it only needs to be about 30 centimetres long. And if you take the end and hold it in that bundle and then wrap tightly to form the neck of your tassel, flip it over and take that same end, which is this end, and tighten a knot like so. 1 knot and a second knot to give it some security, and then if you just poke that free end of thread back down through the neck that you've made, the bound neck, because then it will come out from the bottom and you won't get left with nasty short ends that stick out at a weird angle. Pull that one through. And also don't forget the short end of the knot as well. Because by putting it through the bind, it does mean there's less chance of it coming undone. And this is what I mean by this tassel will never come off the end of your piece of leather. There you go. Once you've done that, what you need to do is you need to cut your loops with a pair of sharp scissors. These are my fabric scissors. And then, if you imagine you're a hairdresser, smooth out the ends of your tassel between your 2 fingers and then just clip them with your scissors. So you've got a flat end. Like all the best hairdressers, you're never going to get it right the first time. And then what you can do, and what I should have done actually, is brought my dog's brush with me, because that is the best thing ever for combing out the end of your tassel to separate all those individual strands. You know, one of those little slicker brushes, they're perfect. But what you can do if you don't have a slicker brush is just grab your needle and comb through your threads And what it will do, it will separate them and it will make that tassel hang much, much better. And once you've created your tasseled bookmark, you can leave it plain, like these. And these will be suitable for, you know, an avid reader, an avid boy reader. Or you can jazz them up a bit with stick-on embellishments. This one here, just use a little bit of copper paint to put an arrowhead design in it. And the other thing as well, you don't have to stick to bookmarks. If you grab yourself a piece of leather and you fold it in two around a split ring, you can make your tassel in the end in exactly the same way as you would with a bookmark, but you can make a keyring out of it. So a real quick and easy gift idea, if you're stuck for a last minute gift for somebody, or you've just bought someone a new book and you think you want to add something to it to make it more personal, then these bookmarks are a great way of doing it. So I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below, and we will see you soon. Bye. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.